If you've been trying to grow your email list with Klaviyo's default form builder, you may have noticed it's quite basic and doesn't have the best conversion results. That's why smart business owners and marketers use OptinMonster to create high converting pop-ups and opt-in forms to grow their Klaviyo email list. With OptinMonster, you can create pop-ups, floating bars, slide-ins, gamified spin wheels, and more. Let me show you how you can create a high-converting Klaviyo pop-up step by step. Let's get started. Your first step is to sign up for an OptinMonster account. All you have to do is go to optinmonster.com and click on the green Get OptinMonster Now button. And for as low as $9 a month, you can have access to all the campaign types. Step number 2 is to create your pop-up using OptinMonster. Now that you have an OptinMonster account, you can click the green Create New Campaign button, and we'll choose Pop-up. Here you have hundreds of templates to choose from. You can select the one that fits your design needs. For this, we'll be using the Canvas template. Next, you'll name your campaign and you can start building. With the drag and drop builder, creating a campaign that perfectly matches your online store's branding is so easy. I recommend starting off by clicking on Custom Colors and importing your brand's custom color profile. Once that's done, click on Opt-in Settings, Opt-in View Styles, and here you can upload a background image. Select the image from the library or upload from your computer. With the Canvas campaign, you'll need to delete elements that you don't need off of the campaign, and you can drag and drop new elements onto your pop-up. To better structure the pop-up, drag and drop column blocks onto the campaign, and within those columns, you can add elements such as images or the opt-in fields. You can stylize the opt-in fields and make any changes you need to the submit button. And with the spacer element, it's easy to make sure that everything is exactly where you want it on your pop-up. All you have to do is drag and drop the spacer element onto the campaign, and with the slider, you can decide the pixel height of the spacer element. Next, to edit the style of the form fields, simply click on them, and you can easily add or remove the fields that you would like to collect from your website visitors. And you can easily change the styling of them by changing the font, the border color, as well as the border styling and even shadowing. Once that's complete, it's time to style the submit button. You can change the button text, change the color, font, the size of the button, and even the shape of the button. To give the button some depth, you can add a shadow. There's so many different ways that you can customize your campaign so that it's visually appealing and attracts your ideal customer. Finally, in the Success tab, we'll import the layout from the opt-in view, and here you can make any changes, such as providing the coupon code or simply providing further instructions. As with any text you put on your campaign, you can adapt the styling, alignment, color, font size, and more. Once you've completed the design of your Klaviyo pop-up, you'll go to Display Rules to decide when and where it will show on your website. You have more common triggers such as time on page, exit intent, page targeting, referral targeting, and on click. And when you scroll down to e-commerce, you'll see the display rules that we have available for the biggest online store platforms such as BigCommerce, Shopify, and WooCommerce. You can target based on cart totals, products in cart, subtotals, and more. So once you've decided which rules will work best for your online store and this campaign, you'll need to go to the Integrations tab to integrate with your Klaviyo account. So click Add New Integration and type in Klaviyo. Then you can add a new account and type in an account label for your Klaviyo account. Next, you'll need to go over to your Klaviyo account, and in the upper right-hand corner dropdown, click Account. As you'll see here, you'll need to create an API key. So under Settings, in the dropdown, click on API Keys. Next, click the blue Create API Key button, and this will bring up your created API key. You'll need to copy and go back to your OptinMonster account and paste in the Klaviyo API key in the form field. Then click Connect to Klaviyo, and you've successfully connected your Klaviyo account to your OptinMonster account and will receive all your new generated email addresses directly in your Klaviyo email marketing list. Next, in the Analytics tab, You'll automatically have access to OptinMonster's native analytics. You can also connect to your Google Analytics in just a couple of clicks. Finally, in the Publish tab, toggle from pause to live, save, and when you go to Preview Campaign, you'll be able to see exactly how your pop-up will look on your homepage to grow your Klaviyo email list faster and more effective than ever before. Check out our video on how to make a creative pop-up to increase your conversions even more. And to find out more about what OptinMonster can do for you, check out our demo. And don't forget to subscribe for more OptinMonster videos, the channel dedicated to getting you more conversions, email subscribers, and sales.